C6 Smart Switch Network Configuration video. Click the plus sign in the upper right corner of the app. Add device. Press and hold the button in the upper left corner of the switch. Wait for the switch to configure the network. Until the switch page displays connected to network. Click the detected switch on the app. Then click Done. After entering the switch page, click the Control Switch button. If there is no error in the switch control, the network configuration will be successful.